Here's how to make Snapchat public profile. So first of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Snapchat application on your mobile device, log into your account, then tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on public profile that is beside my account. Now tap on OK to get started. You can tap on the pencil icon in the top right corner of your screen, and here you can add a bio. You can also add a location, and if you want to show your follower count, you can toggle this option over here. If not, you can toggle off this option. You can also go ahead and edit the background image by choosing a photo from your phone's gallery, and you can add your profile picture. Tap on confirm to do so once you have chosen any picture from your gallery. Once done, come back and tap on the share button in the top of the screen in order to share it, or you can also share it directly to other social media platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, Viber, and all. Or you can also send it to your specific friends on Snapchat. Now tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to go to your settings. Go through the settings and set it according to your preference. You can also preview your profile if you're curious about how it looks to others. So go ahead and tap on preview your profile and you'll be able to see your profile from other people's view. So that's it. This is how you can go ahead and set up your public profile and its setting on Snapchat. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.